What's going on, guys? It's Adam from Beyond the Grid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a photo like this and turn it into something like this. So this video is going to be mainly for those who are starting out, kind of just getting into Lightroom. Well, not really, because I'm going a little more detailed than that. But kind of like, just got a new camera and they don't really have anyone to shoot. So what's the next best thing? You shoot landscapes and shoot stuff around you and shoot cities and everything like that. So this video is for them. So if you guys don't learn anything from this, well then go watch one of my other videos. I don't really know what else to tell you. So we'll see you guys in a second. Let's jump into Lightroom. Let's get into this. Alright guys, now that we're in Lightroom, let's kick this off. I actually haven't edited this photo yet, so I don't know what it's going to turn out like. The intro is actually going to be recorded after I do the edit, because I really don't know how good this photo is going to turn out. So let's get into this. First thing we're going to do is, you really can't see anything in it. So let's bump that exposure up. We're going to go about there. That looks good. So let's cool it down a little bit, because I really want to go a lot of orange in here, just because of all these lights, and I think they look beautiful orange. I mean, this could turn out like crap. I don't know, guys. So let's lower our highlights right about there, and let's bump our shadows quite a bit. And there you guys go. You can already see everything in the photo. It already looks 100 times better, but I mean, that's not what we want. So we go to our whites. What I want you guys to do is actually hold down Alt or Option on your control pad, click, and you can actually see when the whites start to arrive. And then you know when they start to expose. So if you see them, they're overexposed. So let's go right about there. That way we know. Same thing with blacks. Hold down your Alt, and we're going to go the opposite way. There you go. We're not going to go too much, just because I'm going to add a lot of clarity in this. So we're going to bump the clarity right about there. And we're also going to bump our contrast up a little bit. And there we go. Vibrancy, I'm just going to bump up just a little bit. And same with our saturation, just to really bring a lot more life to this photo. The tone curve we're going to leave for a second. We're going to come down to here. What I've really been into, guys, is that blue, or so that aqua and orange kind of look that everyone's going for, is I actually got to like to do the oppositing. So what it is when you go to your blues, you bring those to the aquas, and your aquas you bring to the blues. Same thing with your oranges. So you're going to go towards the reds, and your reds are going to go towards the oranges. And that kind of actually does a lot, like if you guys can see. Right? Now we're going to go to our saturation. Again, we're going to want a little bit more red in this. So we're going to go there. Orange, we want a little bit more orange. And luminancies, we're going to add those guys in there as well for those two colors. Again, our blue, we want to drop that down just a little bit. Not too much. And here we want to go, let's go that way. Just a little bit. Same with our aqua. We're going to see where it looks like right about there. That looks pretty good. So our highlights, we're going to make this because I want to see like the sun. And I want to make the sun kind of look like it's coming through. So we're going to bump that guy up to there. Let's go there. And then here, we're going to make this our aqua. We're going to go just a tiny bit. Let's go a little bit more. Actually, you know what, guys? Let's go over here. Let's see what this looks like. I like it over here actually. So let's leave it over there. We're going to actually change our balancing out. We're going to go a little bit high. Actually, you know what? Let's go like this. Let's go to our aqua. And then we'll adjust our balance to go high. There you go. And that looks pretty good. Sharpening, we're going to add our sharpening. So quick tip, guys. When you're doing your sharpening, if you notice, I've blown out my clouds, and especially right here, you guys can really see it. It's kind of all grainy and nasty. So what you do is you hold down again your Alt and Option, click, and you drag across. Everything that's white is actually going to get sharpened, and everything that's black isn't. So I'm going to go over right about there, release it, and there we go. A little bit better, and not so horrible. So there we go. We're going to add a little bit of noise reduction in this, just a tiny bit, just because we did bring up the exposure, and we know that there is noise in it. And then we're going to come down. We're actually going to go again, and like I said, our orange and our teal look. So we're going to come that way. So we're going to bring a little more. And then teal we're going to bring down a little bit. And then now we're actually going to come up to our tone curve. So we're going to throw just a slight S in it. So again, bring down our shadows. And bring up our highlights. And we're going to do a drop on the highlights. Raise our shadows a little bit. Actually do an anchor point on this one just to see what it looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, guys. What do you think? I'm actually going to add a little quick gradient filter on this guy, just to see what you can do in that sky. Let's drop that exposure a little bit. There we go. But you guys notice how I dropped it all over here, and I don't want those, I just want that sky underexposed. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to raise our shadows back up. Right about there. And that looks beautiful, guys. Alright guys, and there you guys go. Quick and easy urban tutorial to make that crappy looking photo look like Instagram gold. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful in any way, make sure you hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, I mean, why aren't you? Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.